Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. Today I have this look for you using MAC's Copper Sparkle. I absolutely love this pigment. Now I've paired it with a ColorPop eyeliner as well. I'll pop the colour of this in the description box for you. But it's absolutely stunning. It just brings out the blueness in your eyes if you've got blue eyes. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm starting out as usual with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer in Eden on a Zoeva concealer buffer brush. Now just one swipe is enough, just in the middle there, and then I'll just blend that out all over the eyelid, right into the inner corner, right up under your brow area. So I'll just go in and set that with MAC's Brule, which is a very light colour, just on a large blending brush. Now I finally ordered some P. Louise eye makeup base, which has been raved about for a couple of months now, which claims that you don't need to set it. So I've watched a few tutorials on it, and the girls that are using it aren't setting it. The colours are much more vibrant. And no creasing. So I have hooded eyes though, so no creasing for me would be an absolute miracle. So that's coming in the mail, so we'll do a little tutorial one day on how that works. So I'm going to go in with the transition colour from my Zoeva Rose Golden palette. Absolutely very well loved. And this colour here, which is called Luster. So you'll notice I go right with that transition colour right from underneath my brow area there, just to make the most of the space that I have in that hood area. So I don't have much lid space, so I want to try and utilise as much as I can there. The colours in this palette are absolutely beautiful. That blends out like magic. So I'm going into the crease area with Anastasia's Caramel. You would have seen me use this on my channel quite a few times. I love this colour on a Dose of Colours blending brush. So place the colour where you want it, so above my natural crease, and just going backwards and forwards and then into the outer corner as well. So I'm just going in, just deepening up that colour sort of towards the outer corner more and about halfway across. So just patting into that outer corner area just to create a little bit more depth there. Now I'm blending that out quite far. Like I said before, I like to make the most of that hooded area. So almost like in a straight line. And then I'm going to go back in with that first colour, Brule, on the larger blending brush, and just blend again around the edges of that. Now if you want to create a bit more of a precise line there, if you don't have hooded eyes and you want to put a wing in, you can actually use some tape, which is great. So I just want to darken up that outer corner a little bit more, so I'm going in with Anastasia's Sienna on a smaller blending brush. So this is Zoeva 223 Petite Eye Blender. So just placing the product in that very outer corner area and some circular motions. So I'm just going to be using some pigment today, and having hooded eyes, it just doesn't stay on it at all, so I do try and put the glitter glue on first up with a lot of pigments that I use. So I'm going to pop that on a Dose of Colours concealer brush, just a little, and try and get it in the shape that you actually want your pigment to go in. So place most of the glue down first, and then map out where you want that pigment to go and to stay. Now I do have to go up quite high in the center there above my eye, just because I've got the hooded eyes. If I close my eyes, it's going to transfer up there anyway, so I have to make sure that I'm putting the glue exactly where it's going to go. Okay, so I'll go into MAC's Copper Sparkle, which is absolutely, oh god, I love this pigment. So I'll just use a shadow brush. This is Too Faced All Over Shadow with a little bit of Fix Plus on it to dampen it. And then I'll just dip into that pigment and be very careful placing that over the glue. Now if you put your glue down in the right spot, it should show up that this is going on in the correct place. And anything that you really put on that hasn't got glue underneath it will really probably just come off when we blend it. Look at that colour, that is gorgeous. So I just want to go back in with caramel on that blending brush and then just blend over the edges of that foiled pigment. So now I'll just go in on the bottom lash line with caramel again on a small blending brush, the Zoeva 223, and pop some colour along there. And then back in with Sienna, just closer to the lash line. And then I'm just going to blend that out with that original colour which we used in the transition, which was Luster from the Zoeva palette. So I'm just going in with ColorPop eyeliner. I can't remember the name of this colour, and the colour's worn off the pencil itself, but I'll pop it in the description box for you. There's a copper colour, satiny sheen. Very nice, I love it. Now here's another colour that I don't have on the back, but I will find out for you. It's a MAC eyeshadow. Look how much I've used that. It's gorgeous, shimmery. So just for the inner corner on a small pencil brush. So So I need a little bit of highlight just underneath the brow. I don't want to go in with a shimmery colour, so I'm going to use Too Faced Brow Attitude, Instant Brow Attitude, on a small angled brush from MAC. I'll just swipe that across the top. And just go in underneath the brow there. I don't want too much colour. I just want to sharpen up the brow area. Okay, so I've just gone in and put some mascara on, top and bottom lashes. I've gone in and tight lined underneath there as well with my Inglot gel liner in number 77 on a very small liner brush from Zoeva. Pop some mascara on the bottom lashes as well, and I don't overload the bottom lashes. I want the look to be more about the top and to give you a bit more of that cat eye look. If you've got hooded eyes, it helps a little, not to drag your face down. Now I'm really pleased with the overall look. The Copper Sparkle is absolutely beautiful. I've used that before. I can't find it right now to show you again. And I do love the ColorPop eyeliner in the Waterline. As I said, I'll find the colour for you and I'll pop that in the description bar for you. So if you did enjoy this look, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Click on the notifications bell so that you're notified when I do upload more content. Keep being the best version of you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.